In today's video, I will show you around the east part of Tokyo. More specifically, 8 hours of walking around and what you can see and do easily without having too much trouble. And there's going to be some sightseeing there here and there. So let's get into it. Now, you can already see that we are at Sensō-ji Temple. It's the oldest temple and the most visited temple in Tokyo. It is beautiful, but also very packed of people. So if you want to absolutely enjoy it, you should go there very early or very late, because late there's almost nobody. So let's get into it. Let's see that first part. Just before we end into this video, please smash the like button and subscribe. And that will mean everything for me, and we can keep doing those videos so you can enjoy this. Once you're done with this part, you go a little bit lower south to the market. It's also one of the oldest and most visited market. So now we're just a little bit outside the Sensō-ji Temple. On the streets you can enjoy all the market and the places. You can even enjoy a ride around, and you can buy that so they can move you around and show you around with that, which is pretty cool, and it is really nice. Now you have the famous place where you can spend a little bit of money buying some stuff. If you have the chance to go inside, you might spend a little bit more than you would expect it, but that's okay. I forgot to mention that you can rent kimono just down south Sensō-ji Temple. You can also shop if you are afraid of the rain. This is a dome. You can be fully enjoying this place. There's also plenty of restaurants there, just so you know. Now we are in Akihabara. It's like a buzzing shopping hub for mostly electronics retailer, but also anything sort of close to anime and any manga stuff. You can also enjoy that. It's more like the paradise for geek. That's how I would describe it. And it is full of lights, very full of people. Very interesting to go there and actually feel the vibe. It's also known to have plenty of maid cafe, which I highly recommend to experience if you are into that kind of things. I didn't personally went there, but that's a great trial. If you made it this far, you are absolutely genius. So this is also a good reminder to like and subscribe. Next, you can end straight down south to the Imperial Palace and to the Imperial Garden. The thing is, and it's a big warning, verify the day you go there because it's not always open. I happened to go there on Monday and surprise, both were closed. The last weekend before that, I went there on Monday and only the Imperial Garden was open. So be careful and take care of that. From there, we're heading to the Tokyo Central Station. It is probably the most busy train station of all Japan, if I had to guess. It is big, beautiful, super beautiful structure outside, plenty of restaurants around, and the building also. You have an underground passage that goes pretty much anywhere in the downtown. It's very, very nice. You should take a quick look and walk there. I personally like to end my day there so I can go grab a small drink and eat some food. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will try to do more like this every once in a week or two. And please just leave some comments and tell me how you enjoyed this.